It is true that there were reports that the Indian security forces were constructing a thick wall along the working boundary. You know the dimensions, so maybe you can also share with them. But certainly this was an act which was against the understanding reached between the two countries that there will be no major construction work along the working boundary and the line of control. And this was a violation of that understanding. We have raised this matter with the United Nations.
Is it also a violation, sorry I'm cutting you off sir, is it also a violation of UN Security Council resolutions?
It is a violation of the status quo that was created by the UN Security Council resolution, and therefore to that extent it is a violation of the Security Council resolution. So we have pointed this out both to the UN Secretary General in a letter that the permanent representative of Pakistan has sent, and also to the President of the Security Council with the request that this be circulated as an official document of the United Nations Security Council. Yes, we have taken it up because we believe that India should not engage in such constructions along the working boundary.
So why are they making this wall, sir? Why are they making this wall?
Well, that you should ask them why they are making this wall, because we believe that there was a very clear understanding that this should not be done.
Any idea, any time frame آپ بتا سکتے ہیں کہ کب آپ کو پتا چلا کہ وہ یہ وال بنا رہے ہیں, کب یہ انہوں نے سب کچھ شروع کیا؟
جی, we have recently learnt that they are planning and they have developed all these plans, and I don't know whether they have actually started the construction and to what extent they have done, but we believe that significant work has been done in that regard, and therefore we thought it proper to bring it to the notice of the United Nations.
جو ڈاکٹر صاحب نے لیٹر لکھا ہے اس کا کرکس یہ ہے کہ انڈیا جو ہے وہ ایک جو ٹیمپریری باؤنڈری ہے اس کو وہ انٹرنیشنل باؤنڈری کی شیپ.
نہیں, لیٹر جو اس کا لکھا ہے وال کا, وہ اس حوالے سے ہے جیسے فارن سیکرٹری نے فرمایا کہ سیکورٹی کاؤنسل ریزولوشنس کے تحت کوئی ملک مٹیریل چینج ان دا گراؤنڈ سچویشن نہیں لا سکتا. سو اس حوالے سے ہم نے پوائنٹ آؤٹ کیا ہے کہ اس وال کی کنسٹرکشن سے وہ تمام سیکورٹی کاؤنسل ریزولوشنز وائلیٹ ہوتے ہیں جن کے تحت آپ اسٹیٹس کو چینج نہیں کر سکتے.